we got a CSX train heading down the line. That was short. And symbol is CSX IO10. The CSX IO10 originates from Chicago, Illinois, Bedford Park, and heads east to Port Newark, Jersey, where it terminates. On this Wednesday, April 26, 2023, by Brendan the Rail Fan on YouTube. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Alright, we got a CSX manifest heading down the line. So far, we got 2 trains, and let's get the action. Symbol on that train is CSX M367. The CSX M367 originates from Selkirk, New York, heads west of Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at the clearing yard. On to the next video. Roll it. Alright, we got a CP train heading down the line. Probably not a CSX for now. Symbol on that train is CSX I-166. The CSX I-166 originates from Chicago, Illinois at Schiller Park, heads east to Montreal, Quebec, where it terminates at the Hawkeye Yard. Once this train crosses the Niagara River at Unity Island at the International Rail Bridge, the train will be turned to CP-132. And it heads still on its way to Montreal, Quebec. I guess onto the next video, roll it. Alright, we got a CSX westbound, a slow CSX intermodal train that just left the Seneca Yard at the intermodal terminal yard. Now let's get the action. The train's in full speed, looks like, ready to leave the Seneca Yard. And it's sure getting dark outside, looks like. So according to track number 2, I feel there's a train coming, maybe, I don't know, but I saw a green light in track number 2, or the track next to me, this track. So I'll find out if that train comes or what. We'll have to find out before this train ends. Cause I saw a green and gold light in the track number 2. I-157. The CSX I-157 originates from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania at the Greenwich Yard, heads west to North Baltimore, Ohio, where it terminates. And that's probably going to be the last train that we're going to catch in this video. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more train videos.